Hello, this is Reasoning and Proof, Deductive Reasoning Example 6. And in Example 6 we have these statements, and we have to say whether we can conclude that Mike visited the Civil Rights Memorial. And if you read it all over, it looks very confusing. How can we possibly prove this using our deductive reasoning? Well, it helps with any story problem, it always helps if you write it out in your own words. And here I wrote it out using symbolic notation. I've got visit Alabama, I've got spend the day in Montgomery, and I've got visit the Civil Rights Memorial. And this first statement says visits Alabama, spend a day in Montgomery. The second one is spend the day in Montgomery implies visit the Civil Rights Memorial. So from this it says that he is going to visit Alabama. It says Mike visited Alabama, so we know this is true. Therefore we know this is true, and that's from this. Okay, it says that these are both true, so this is true, and we know that P is true, so we know Q is true. And since we know Q is true, then in the second statement, according to this, if Q is true, then this has got to be true. So also from the law of syllogism, we had as we showed in the last example, P arrow Q. Then this is the same, Q arrow P, then P implies R. So from this we can conclude that if Mike visits Alabama, then he is going to visit the Civil Rights Memorial.